Just like the popularity of mechanical keyboards among typists and gamers for their precision, durability, and performance, chainsaw milling has grown in demand among woodworkers, DIYers, and professionals seeking to transform raw logs into usable lumber. List number: the Granberg Alaskan Chainsaw Mill Mk4 is one of the most trusted names in portable sawmilling. Built in the USA, it's designed to convert logs into planks with precision, making it a favorite among professional woodworkers and serious DIYers. This model fits chainsaws with bars from 20 inches to 36 inches, giving it flexibility for handling both small and large logs. The mill attaches directly to your chainsaw bar with high-strength steel and aluminum construction, ensuring durability without being excessively heavy. One of its standout features is the accurate cutting system, allowing you to mill boards and planks up to 13 inches thick. The mill is easy to set up and adjust, making it beginner-friendly while still robust enough for experienced users. Users praise its consistency, build quality, and longevity, noting that it can handle hardwoods with ease when paired with a powerful chainsaw. The portability also makes it ideal for off-grid or on-site milling. List number: the Hippocube Portable Chainsaw Mill offers an affordable yet capable solution for those starting in chainsaw milling. Compatible with chainsaws featuring bars from 14 inches to 30 to 36 inches, it covers a wide range of milling needs, from small projects to full planks. Built with a lightweight aluminum and steel frame, the Hippocube mill is both sturdy and portable, allowing you to transport it easily into remote areas. Its adjustable design supports planks from ½ to 13 inches thick, giving users flexibility depending on their woodworking project. Assembly is straightforward, and most users can set it up within minutes. The mill's compact frame makes it easier to maneuver, which is particularly useful for beginners. While it may not have the heavy-duty durability of premium models like Granberg, it's a reliable entry-level option that balances cost-effectiveness and usability. List number: the Zosen Chainsaw Mill with lumber guide brackets is a smart choice for DIY woodworkers who want both performance and convenience. This portable sawmill kit is designed for chainsaw bars ranging from 14 inches to 36 inches, making it adaptable for different log sizes. What sets this kit apart is its lumber guide brackets, which provide added stability and ensure straight, uniform cuts. This reduces the chances of uneven boards and saves time in post-processing. The frame, built with heavy-duty aluminum and stainless steel, resists rust and ensures long-term durability even in outdoor conditions. It allows cutting thicknesses between ½ inch to 12 inches, giving users versatility for projects ranging from furniture planks to beams. Many users highlight its ease of assembly and portability, which makes it ideal for on-site milling. List number: the Portable Chainsaw Mill 24-inch model is designed for smaller-scale milling projects, making it a practical option for hobbyists and homeowners. Compatible with chainsaws featuring bars between 14 and 24, it's compact and easy to carry. Its aluminum and steel construction provides a good balance of strength and lightness, making it suitable for taking into remote areas. This mill can cut planks ranging from ½ inch to 12 inches thick, giving flexibility for different woodworking needs. Assembly is quick, and its simple design makes it user-friendly for beginners. Because of its compact size, it's easier to maneuver and less intimidating than larger mills. This makes it perfect for those just getting started with chainsaw milling or handling smaller logs. One trade-off is that it's not as versatile as 36-inch mills. List number 5. The CCI Mini Chainsaw is not a traditional chainsaw mill, but a compact cordless chainsaw designed for pruning, trimming, and small wood-cutting tasks. It's included in this roundup because of its growing popularity among DIYers who want a lightweight, battery-powered option for handling manageable wood projects. With a 6-inch bar and powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this mini chainsaw is ideal for cutting small logs, branches, or preparing wood for craft projects. Its ergonomic design and one-hand operation make it convenient and beginner-friendly. While it's not suitable for full-scale milling, It's a great tool for light-duty wood preparation, especially if paired with a portable sawmill for finishing cuts. Its safety features, such as a security lock and handguard, provide added protection for casual users.